Hi, today we will be presenting our Flask app, RSVME.
I'm Chris Sarkisian.
Hi, I'm Ethan Dorda.
Hi, I'm Lulu Abaful.
I'm Joe Strickland.
I'm Zaina Shore.
So this software was designed mainly for creating and sharing events. So you should be able to see other people's events that they've created and create your own events.
Welcome to RSVME, and this is our login page. If you don't have an account already, you can register here. But if you do have an account, you can go back to the login page. For now, I do have an account, so I will sign in. Once signed in, you'll be taken to the home page, but for now, we will navigate to My Events so we can check what events I have already created. Here, we also have the option to edit or delete an event. So I will be editing my UNCC Campus Tour event. I want to change the thumbnail to a different image, and I'm going to make it the Student Union. I also want extra verification, so any user trying to view this event has to re-sign in. So now I will update the event. As you can see, the image has changed to an image of the Student Union.
I'm on a different user account than Zaina, and I'm going to try to join the UNCC Campus Tour event. As Zaina mentioned before, she put on the verify function feature that is going to make me log into the my account again. So let me log into my account. And as you can tell, we can now see the event. So I'm going to reserve a spot at this event, and the capacity goes down because I have reserved my spot. And I'm going to leave a review for the event. So I've created an event, I've joined an event, and I've left a review. So to create a page that keeps track of all of this information, we can go to the My Profile page, where the user can view all of their created events that are currently active. They can view their username and email address that they have with the profile, and they can change their password. The user can also view all of the active joined events that they have currently RSVP'd to, such as the one that I had joined, Zaina's event with the UNCC Campus Tour. And we can also view the reviews that we have left. So I left a review saying, can't wait to be there for the UNCC Campus Tour.
Another one of our functionalities is the ability to delete events we don't need. So like, let's say we don't have the ability to host this event anymore, we can just delete it. And now when you go to public events, that event is no longer there. Additionally, when you're on public events, you can sort in different ways if you want to look at it, maybe alphabetical order, or the earliest start time, or how many people can join, or the location.
So users that are indicated to be administrators can deal with the admin panel. So for example, here is an event that is very derogatory. This very nice looking dog, this person has decided they are ugly and is posting a thing to laugh at them. That is rude. So we are going to report this event, and then it will say, thank you, your report has been reviewed by an administrator. So we can now go to our administrator panel, where we can see that the dog has been reported. Now I, as an admin, like this dog, so I'm going to delete this event so the dog can leave in peace. And once this is done, you go back to public events, there is in fact no more dog. We can also report reviews. So for example, this event that Chris created, where someone has decided that they are going to pretend they're a fan of System of a Down, and they're not. So we are going to remove this review because this is not what this thing is about. However, all of these reviews, they're fine. Some person is just reporting, so we're going to get rid of them using the Dismiss Event button.
So while our software presents several useful features, we obviously have some ethical issues that may arise from using RSVME. And these include information in our database, which contains user email addresses and passwords getting hacked. And also, we could potentially be storing too much information about our users' schedules. Also, the location of the event could be a potential safety issue if unwanted attendees are able to access the location, and our users may not want certain people viewing where they will be and at what times they'll be there. Certain events, such as religious gatherings or even cultural festivals, could be targets for hate crimes. Some solutions we've thought of to the previous ethical issues were adding a feature that allows users to report other users for inappropriate or offensive behavior. You could report events or reviews added to events. We've also developed an admin panel where reports can be viewed by moderators and dealt with accordingly. Users also will have to sign in more than once to view items that are meant for them.
There were a lot of problems we faced when we were trying to work this out. For one, schedules. We all are very busy people with other classes, so trying to collaborate and coordinate was a challenge. Also, writing the Python code, especially the more high-level stuff, dealing with file systems and databases, that was very hard to debug and to get everything to work with each other, so that took a very long time and a lot of effort. Another thing which unexpectedly took a lot of time and effort was CSS. Styling in HTML using CSS is surprisingly difficult and not very intuitive. So being able to get everything to look exactly the way we want it to took a lot more time than we were expecting.
So this was our software product called RSVME. We really want to thank you for sharing your time with us and watching the video. We had a great time creating this software product, and we all had a great time working together. Thank you.